During the live foundational trading course, you're going to be getting to grips with not only TradingView, but as well as the Hodlnots indicator, which is made up of 15 different indicators, plus a couple of extra ones that we teach you how to read any time frame. Now, while the live course is based on the 1 minute time frame, where we utilize 1, 5, and 15 minutes, the same information can be applied to 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hours, and a bunch more. So this is the Hodlnots indicator that you see all here. We teach you all the various components for safe entries and exits. And then towards the end of the course, we teach you all about the hodl fire, known as the neon green hodl fire, about safe entries and exits, especially on time frames from 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and onwards, and how to utilize these to be able to bring in some passive income as well. And then, of course, our live Telegram classroom. This is from a couple of courses ago. And in it, you'll see that there are not any quizzes, but the opportunity for students to ask the questions. It's where we share a lot of the training materials and so much more in this 24/7 Telegram chat that is available for you for the duration of the course and for you to be able to still see all the notes and learning materials after the fact. So another great element to this live Hodlnots foundational trading course. And if you head on over to the live foundational trading course product on bitcointaf.com, you'll be able to browse through the entire description of what the course is all about, why is now a good time to learn how to trade on any time frame, as well as some of the things to consider, the requirements, and of course the course outline in terms of what are you going to be learning on each of the days. Now, bear in mind that this course has got 24/7 live support through Zoom trainings every single day, as well as a dedicated Telegram classroom in which you'll be supported. You'll be able to ask your questions. You'll have homework and any sort of group activity that will be taking place. All information will be in that Telegram classroom.